In Activity 2 of the Enzyme Catalysis Lab, investigation of the impact of temperature on the decomposition rate of hydrogen peroxide by the enzyme catalase was being tested and examined for. Upon further observation, each of the trials in the different temperature ranges did have a pattern. Temperatures were tested at 10 degrees Celsius below room temperature, 10 degrees Celsius above room temperature, 20 degrees Celsius above room temperature, and 30 degrees Celsius above room temperature. Being tested, the room temperature marked at 23 degrees Celsius. Here, the average temperature for the disk to surface was 8.44 seconds. At 10 degrees Celsius below, it was 9.39 seconds, 10 degrees Celsius above, 5.44 seconds, 20 degrees Celsius above, 3.83 seconds, and 30 degrees Celsius above, 5.10 seconds. With the hydrogen peroxide solution at a depth of 2.3, the rate of the temperatures were 10 degrees Celsius below 0.2449, room temperature 0.2725, 10 degrees Celsius above 0.4475, 20 degrees Celsius above 0.6005, and 30 degrees Celsius above 0.4509. From 10 degrees Celsius below to 20 degrees Celsius above the room temperature, the time and rates of the disk to float to the surface were relatively consistent throughout. The time did decrease and the rate increased. However, at 30 degrees Celsius above room temperature, the results were different. The time began to slightly increase and the rate decreased drastically from that of 20 degrees Celsius above the room temperature. Upon reaching a certain temperature, the catalase enzyme reaction rate is much quicker and effective. Too high or too low of temperatures can affect the rate by increasing it for this particular enzyme.